This is text. Sometimes you don't care what text looks like, you just care what it says. But you can make it look different. You can make it bigger, make it bold, italic, change the font, change the color, put it on a new place in the page. All that is called formatting. This is plain text, and this is formatted text. You could say that formatting is the way you dress up your text. When you copy text from one place to another, you usually copy the formatting along with it. It's possible to copy just the text without the formatting. But what if you want to copy just the formatting? So you've written some text, and you've dressed it up, and now you write some more text. You'd like to make the new text look just like the old text. You need to copy just the formatting of the text. That's when you need Format Painter. We're going to use Format Painter in Microsoft Word. Here's the icon right here. But be aware that if you use OpenOffice, it also has a Format Painter tool. There it is. And if you use documents in Google Drive, there is also a Format Painter. So once you know that it's there and how to use it, you can use it in lots of different programs. I'm going to start with a document that has some little poems in it by Edna St. Vincent Millay. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to reformat the titles of those poems. So let's start with the first one. I'll select the title, and I will change the font, and I'll make it bold, and I'll make it red, and I'll make it a little bigger. So that's how I want my titles to look. There are lots of titles. These are short little poems. I would like all the titles to look like this. So I want to copy the formatting from here onto all the other titles. So what I'll do is I'll select the text that is formatted the way I want it to be, and I'll click on the Format Painter button. And now my mouse turns into a little paintbrush. And I can click and drag that paintbrush across the next title, and that turns it into the same formatting as the first one. And I can do it again. Select the formatting I like, click on Format Painter, brush the formatting across the next title. Now if you have lots of things to use it on, you don't want to have to click on Format Painter each time. So you can select the formatting you like and double-click the icon, and now you can brush across different titles, and you won't have to keep going back and clicking. It'll remain active. So now I will drag across this one, and I will drag across this one, and I can just go down and format all the titles the same. And when I'm done, I can click on Format Painter and turn it off. And now all my titles are formatted very easily. This also works, by the way, in Excel. Here I have a selection of cells that I have formatted, and I would like to copy that formatting onto these cells. So it works the same way. I select the cells that are formatted the way I like. I click on Format Painter. My mouse turns into a little brush, and I select the cells that I want to format, and now it's going to be formatted the same way as the other cells. So this is a very handy tool, and it's fun to use. So I hope you enjoy it. Thanks.